The bulk of global trade rules were written in the early 1990s when technologically the internet and the world of goods and services around it was entirely different. So I think there's been recognition over the last decade or so that we need a new set of rules to adhere to the new world around us. What's really changed over the last 18 months is until recently there was optimism that through trade negotiations such as the Trans-Pacific Partnership, we were moving forward in terms of setting those types of norms. And I think what the last 18 months or so have shown is really the frailty of the global trading system and some of the tensions there. And that, I think, merits a new conversation over what specifically is the role of trade and the trade governance system when it comes to this digital transformation that we see happening all around us.